Incredible stories coming out of that area.
Yeah, while they're so thankful to be safe there, it is a long road, as you can see from the debris back there, to make sure the folks there have a safe place to stay.
10 TV's Lacey Chris talked to one man who is still working to salvage what he can out there. Lacey?
Well, it's hard to even walk through this mobile home park because there are so many flattened homes and debris, but residents have spent the day cleaning up and salvaging what they could.
Everything's gone. Everything that I had is completely wiped out. I'm trying to scavenge, some clothes, whatever I can get out of here.
Tom Martin has lived here for 30 years. He doesn't have insurance.
He destroyed the living room. Took out that whole wall and the ceiling.
An oak tree has crushed his home, and branches are shooting through Martin's living room. Drone video shows Mother Nature's destruction of the area. Martin considers himself lucky. He wasn't here when the tornado ripped through his community.
If I hadn't have been there, I don't know what would have happened to me, really,
Something he doesn't want to think about.
But it's a good thing I wasn't here.
With the help of family.
If you want to take that, it's a bunch of artwork and stuff where I was going to college, and it's got some drawings and stuff in there.
He's trying to save what's most important.
There's a box of pictures and stuff, and some old coins, stuff that I've had for, 20 or 30 years, and just trying to salvage as much as I can.
So Martin tells me he doesn't know what he's going to do next. He says his kids live nearby, so he's probably going to stay with them until he figures it out. Reporting live, Lacey Crisp, 10 TV News.